If you want to learn how to post into the prior period in SYSPRO, this tutorial will show you how. This tutorial will include the following: opening a prior period in Accounts Receivable, and lastly, posting an invoice to a prior period. Welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to take a look at multi-period accounting in SYSPRO. So let's get started. We're going to start by going to Setup, then we're going to go to Setup Options. I'm just going to maximize my screen. Okay, there we go. Okay, how did we get here? So once this is open, you go to Financial Periods, then you select Accounts Receivable. Okay, so we are in the third period. As you can see, it is open. So what we want to do is we want to open the second period, which is the prior period. As you can see, it is closed. So we're going to double click on the word closed so that it can change to open. So double click, and there we go. It's open. Then we're going to click on the save and exit icon. Then we're going to click OK. Just remember, for the changes to be effective, you have to exit SYSPRO, then log back in. And that is how you open a prior period in Accounts Receivable. We have realized that 80% of our viewers are not yet subscribed, so we are going to give you an opportunity to subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. Now let's continue with the tutorial. We're going to start by going to Accounts Receivable, then we're going to go to Transaction Processing, and we're going to look for AR Invoice Posting. Okay, I'm just going to maximize the screen. Here we're going to enter our customer code, then we're going to tap off. Remember, we are trying to post in the previous period, so we're going to click Posting Period. Then we're going to select Previous Month 1. Then we're going to click Select. Perfect. Then we're going to start by entering our date. So I'm going to change this date to our previous period and on this day. Then we're going to enter the document value. Then we're going to tap off to now enter the cost. Okay, we're going to tap off to enter the product class. And then we're going to click on add. Okay, perfect. There we have our transaction. Then we're going to click on post. And we're going to click OK. And we're going to click OK again. There we have our journal entry. And we're going to close this program. And that is how you post an invoice into a prior period. We have reached the end of today's tutorial. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment which tutorials you'd like to see next. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Do connect with us on LinkedIn. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching this tutorial.